Tinola.
This Filipina served tinolang manok to her boyfriend and asked him to taste it. After taking a sip of the soup, he praised her cooking and said, "This tastes so good. It's perfect, unlike the food you made before, which wasn't cooked properly." But what she said next was so unexpected and hilarious that it left everyone laughing. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss the next story.
Mahal, ate ulam.
Tinola.
Tikman mo kung masarap.
Masarap. Tikman natin. Sarap.
Masarap?
Gagi. Sabaw pa lang. Wait lang.
Ano? Ano lasa?
Lambot ng manok. Tsaka luto-luto, hindi ka tulad ng nakaraan kasi luto mo na nakaraan, medyo matabang. Tapos yung isang araw naman, medyo maalat, ganun. Ngayon, perfect na perfect. Tapos yung manok luto-luto, yung manok mo na nakaraan. May dugo pa. Pero ngayon, ang laki na improvement mo, man. Sobrang sarap.
Ganon?
Masarap.
Eh, binili ko lang yan eh. Binili ko lang yan eh.
Tabang.
Sabi mo masarap.
Hindi mo
Ha? Nilalike mo. Huwag kang kumain ha. Huwag kang kumain.
Hindi ko natabang ngayon.